Natural treatments to promote hair growth. When our hair is mistreated and falling out, we have to do everything within our power to try to restore it and stimulate its growth. That is why we have prepared the following advice to reach our goal of natural hair growth. Natural treatments that will help you to have truly beautiful, abundant hair and silky and shiny tresses. You should reduce your meat consumption. According to the results obtained from several research studies, most people experience hair loss due to excessive production of tallow, or animal fat, in the scalp. This tallow is produced especially due to the consumption of animal fats. Thus, reducing your meat consumption to a minimum is recommended. Get your thyroid checked. When someone suffers from hyperthyroidism, one of the symptoms is how thin that person's hair looks. To find out if you're suffering from a thyroid disease, the best thing to do is to consult your doctor, and he or she will proceed to conduct certain analyses on you to be sure. If the result is indeed positive, you need to eat a lot of food that contains iodine. Likewise, you should avoid drinking tap water because it is treated with fluoride and chlorine, which are elements that prevent iodine from being absorbed. You should increase your consumption of fatty acids and biotin. These two nutrients are very important for healthy hair. Fatty acids are found in large quantities in nuts, flax seeds, fish and avocado, while biotin is mainly found in walnuts, brown rice and oatmeal. You should do your best to consume food that contains these nutrients every day. Moreover, you won't only be breathing life to your hair, but rather you will be helping your body maintain proper energy absorption. Do your best to consume vitamin B. It is important to consume vitamin B supplements that contain biotin and vitamin B5. The ideal is to consume 100 grams of this supplement to strengthen hair and keep it healthy. It notably improves blood circulation, especially to the scalp, and contributes to the rejuvenation of hair follicles. Increase your vitamin C consumption. It is important to know that hair is covered, strand by strand, by collagen, and as the years pass and we grow older, this collagen is worn away and our hair becomes weaker. That is why we need to increase our vitamin C consumption. It positively stimulates collagen production. Vitamin C is found in large quantities mainly in citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons, grapefruit, as well as in strawberries, green peppers and red peppers. Consume iron-rich foods more often. Iron is essential for perfect hair growth. Foods that contain a good amount of iron are all the leafy green vegetables, leeks, nuts and figs. You should keep in mind that, for your body to absorb iron well, you need to consume vitamin C. Give yourself massages with rosemary. For many years it was thought that rosemary could activate blood circulation in the scalp, helping to improve the health of your scalp. Therefore, adding rosemary essence to your shampoo or mixing coconut oil with a few drops of rosemary extract and massaging it directly onto your scalp is highly recommended. In this way, you can improve your health and the appearance of your hair at the same time.